Susunod na exam.
What is noteworthy for this problem?
Process.
What are these?
Process.
These are truss members. How do we know they are truss members?
Pin ends
They
and
form a triangle, not frame members can form a triangle.
pin at the ends, no intermediate loads.
The circles, hollow circles, those are a way for us to denote a pin. Pwedeng pin or pwedeng moment release. Kapag sinabing moment release, hindi siya magdadala ng moment. So what does it mean kapag di magdadala ng moment? Nakapin siya. Fx, Fy lang kaya niyang i-transfer, i-resist. So ito, ibig sabihin dito, truss connection siya, pin siya dyan. Kasi itong dalawa, pin din doon. Even though nakalagay, alam nyo, sir, hindi ba yung ganyan? Fixed support yan, pero nakapin siya. Walang moment na dadalhin. Another is there are no loads between the member, within the member. So load is dito, yung dito, pwede pa siyang maging truss. Okay. How about this one? Member AB. What is it? Is it a truss? No, it is a frame. So what do we have here? Nakalagay na din sa taas. It's a combination of a frame and a truss.
Ito yung isa sa mga problems sa final exam last time.
Yung nangyari is we have a cantilevered member. So since cantilevered siya, frame na yan automatically, nag-resist ng moment. But naglagay tayo ng struts. Imbis na isa lang, pwede naman isa lang. Imbis na isa lang, pinahirapan natin dalawang strut. And those struts just act as compressive members.
Hindi mo lang sa'yo.
Okay?
Hindi mo lang isa.
Bakit struts gusto natin nilagay? Kasi ayaw natin pag
I don't know.
like siyang, ayaw natin magdala siya ng moment. Kasi it's possible, yung mga gamitin natin na members here, weak sa moment, pero strong in compression. Pwede naman ganun eh. Mas mura yun. And if the only thing we need is to hold this point up, then that works. Just put truss members. Now, the analysis may be a bit different. Okay? Try natin.
So A is
Nag-release na ba dito? Sige, so everything so far, good natin. Try natin. Okay. Save na natin. Game. How many members? 3.
tres.
1, 2, 3. The magical grade that we want to get is quarter 1.
Sana.
How many nodes?
2, 3, 4.
1, 3,
Ano ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano ba yun?
4.
4.
4. Pag mahilo na dalawa yung circles na nakikita dyan. That doesn't mean 2 nodes. That just means
They're both pin
ito
connected.
at ito ay nakapin. Okay, kasi kung wala yung isa dyan, pwede natin i-model ito saka ito as frame members. So hindi, these are both pin. Therefore, well, fine, nakapin siya. Okay? Now, ilang DOF total? How many DOFs?
6, 9. Parang 9. Nahula mo. Ilan DOF?
Kasi A naman, yung pin connection sa A is only for the trusses, not for the cantilever. So,
How many DOFs?
9.
9. Any other answers?
1, 2,
May
3,
nagsabi
4, 5,
12.
6, 7.
Paano nakuha yung 9, Clyde?
Dito po kasi sa trust, 2 at 2 DOFs lang po. So, 6 na yan ba?
So, 2, 4, 6 lang mo. Plus 3 is 9.
Yun po sa ako.
Okay. Sounds logical, sounds reasonable. Other answers? Sino nagsabi ng 11? Bakit 11, Jurel? Dalawa sa baba. So 2, 4. Tatlo dito. Apat dito. Ba't naging apat dito? X, Y, tapos dalawang movement. So may movement saan? Here. Okay. So, Jewel is talking about moment releases kasi. So, isip niya, pag may moment release, dalawang moments on either side. We will get to that next meeting. Other answers? May 9, may 11. May nagsabing 12. Sino nagsabi ng 12? Jessica. 15? Paano naging 15? Hindi.
Yan nga rin
So, ilan dapat?
4.
Sino pa nagsabi ng 12? 12. Wala? How about 10? Bakit 10? Adrian.
Yung PA kasi ano na siya, frame.
Frame.
So dapat tatlo yung
Take tatlo. So 3, 6, plus 2, 2. So 10. Correct answer is 10. You have to consider the fact that this here can still rotate. Pwede pa rin mag-rotate siya. But this two will not rotate. Okay, so hindi sila makikisama sa rotation ng frame member na to. So pag nag-rotate to, pwede gumanon siya. Nag-rotate tayo at that point, diba? As in, straight, tapos gumanon. Nag-rotate siya. Pero ito, gaganon na sila. Hindi sila makikirotate. They will not
Tama ko sa
maintain
first
the
exam.
angle here. Make sense?
Mm.
So, 3, 3, 2, 2. How do we do that
Conceptual
now?
lang yan.
Sir, magkakaiba na yung DOF per node. Okay lang yan. Hindi pa ito yung mahirap. Wala tayo. First member. Let's say member AB. Okay, let's put a label. Let's call this C tsaka D. Okay? Para lang meaning. So AB muna tayo. What is E ng AB? 200, diba? How about next A? Area. 6,000. Di siya 1,000. O, matuto tayo magbasa ng figure. Yung I tsaka A are for this beam. Itong A na to, nakalagay dito. Sir, paano yung I dito? Walang I. Trust members nga sila, diba? Wala tayong paki sa I, hindi sila frame. A lang siya. Okay? So, A tsaka I na ito, I for the beam. Gets? Medyo pinagdikit-dikit lang kasi yung nag-print ng book, nagtitipid sa space. Okay, mahal yung ink noon. Well, mahal pa rin naman ink ngayon, so whatever. So, A natin for the beam, 6,000 square millimeters. What are you roughing? How about I? 200 million. Okay? Length niya, 8,000. Angle, 180. AB siya, but again, take note, the original orientation of AB is A sa kaliwa, B sa kanan. So para tumugma dyan, it has to rotate 180. Okay? Kaya 180 degrees siya. Next, member AC. Will that? No, that doesn't work. Teka lang ah. Sasara natin. Ignore that, mga pangalan niya lang yan. Uy, ayaw niya maselect. Ayan, okay. Ito, mahirap ng konti. Member AC. E natin is still 200. A natin is 1,000. I, dahil truss siya, will be 0. What is the length?
AC ba?
Paano yung kukumpute yung length? 5,000 divided by 577 something daw, sabi ni Indigo. Paano nakuha? 5,000 divided by
Sin 60.
divided by sin 60. Please note, right triangle lang yan, kids. Ito yung 5,000, di ba? So, kunin nyo lang ito. This length here, that's 5,000 divided by sin 60. Kasi hypotenuse sin 60 equals 5,000. Tama?
Yep.
Okay. Please. Please lang. Kaya na yan, di ba? Okay. 5,000 divided by sin 60. Oops. Dapat ata naka-radians. There. So, dapat naka-radians yung nasa loob ng sin. What is the angle? Note, member AC tayo. So, A tapos C is here. 240.
Yeah. Kasi 630.
At naging 240.
May 30 dun sir.
Starting from here, 90, 180. Ano yung angle na ito? 60. Vertical angle yan ito. Geometry, high school. Yung 30,
Alternate
ito yan.
interior angles are
Okay, so 180 plus 60, 240.
40.
How about ito? Damay na natin. Ito, ano yung angle na ito? 300. Bakit? What is this angle here? 60. Many ways to solve it. Pwedeng 60, 60, 60 triangle siya. Or pwedeng alam natin, di ba pag vertical, 30 yan, 30 din yan by symmetry, 60. Or pwedeng, 60 ito, 60 ito, that entire thing is 360 minus 60, 300. Madaming ways. Okay, so this is 240, this is 300. Sige. 240, tapos copy ulit natin. Member AD, 300. Okay? Now, take note. Stuff we can check. Trust member ang AC tsaka AD, wala dapat laman yung itong mga to. Kasi itong mga terms na to ay for the beam part. Okay? So kung wala siyang beam resistance, walang shear, walang bending moment, zero siya dapat. Kung meron, edi may laman. Nanggagaling yan sa I. Okay? Next. Rotation matrices. This one, negative lahat. Bakit? Nag-180 degrees tayo. Flip around lang natin. Yung dalawa, pumangit. Bakit? Diagonal na sila. But they should look similar to each other because
Symmetric.
one is 300 degrees, one is 360 degrees. Symmetrical sila, di ba? So they should look similar to each other at the very least. Mag-iba lang, konting sides. So yung nag-iba actually is itong sign nitong dalawa. Okay? So we can get the rotated matrices So since ito ay isang frame member, may terms dapat for the shear and for the moments. While ito, since truss members sila, wala silang term for the moments. Nagsisiro out lang yan. Okay? Any questions so far sa transformation? Dimension tayo sa global. So lumiit siya konti. Compared sa kanina, that's fine. Okay. Maglilinis pala muna tayo dito. Let's delete all of this. And copy. At some point, once you get enough experience, hindi na kailangan yung mga lines na nilalagay ko. So, try natin ang wala. Known displacements, go. Sa B, lahat ay 0. Sa C, lahat ay 0. Sa D, lahat ay 0. Lahat gagawin natin 0 sa B, C, D. You might raise an argument, sir. Hindi ba pin supports lang ito? Technically, pwede silang mag-rotate. Hindi natin siya ika-quantify. Bakit? Because dito, yung moment niya, hindi natin maka-quantify, di ba? And if you look, that's the moment ng C tsaka D. If you look, lahat ng terms that relate to the two of them, 0 lahat. So, hindi natin maka-quantify yung rotation in that sense. But, that doesn't mean hindi natin masisolve at all yung rotation. Bakit? We will be able to solve for the final position of point A and just connect it using a straight line. And then you can solve for the new angle. So yes, mag-rotate pa rin siya. It's just that through structural analysis, di natin maka-quantify directly. Okay? You have to do it through X and Y displacements lang. Kasi nga truss member siya. Okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So just because 0, yung mga terms yan, 0 na ilalagay ko dito. But that doesn't mean hindi siya mag-rotate. Keep that in mind. Now, since 0 lahat yan, yung A yung titignan natin for the forces. Horizontal force sa A, 0. Right? Vertical force, minus 50. Moment, 0. So plug in. 0 minus 50, 0. Okay? Highlight natin lahat ng kailangan natin. The known forces, which means the first 3 rows and the first 3 columns actually. And then this one here. Yan yung mga gagamitin natin. And then ito, sige, highlight lang din natin ito. Isolate natin. These 3. Again, this is an equal sign and this is multiplication sign. Okay, so we can solve for U, A, V, A, T, A. Equals M mult, M inverse. Tulitan natin ito. Ito equals QU. UA is 0. So hindi daw siya nag-deflect horizontally. Does it make sense? Yes.
Kasi
Okay lang na hindi siya mag-deflect horizontally. Downwards lang yung force natin, bababa lang siya. There's nothing else connecting to it that might pull it left or right. Walang mga other stuff. Okay? So, 0 horizontal displacement, yes, that makes sense. Ano expectation natin sa vertical displacement? Upwards, downwards? Downwards. What about the rotation? Clockwise, counterclockwise? Clockwise, therefore positive or negative? Yes? Did this match our expectations? God. Tama, di ba? Structural engineering has to make sense. Dapat logical yan. So you can make those expectations and confirm via yung solutions nyo. If hindi tumugma, ibig sabihin may mali somewhere. Sana lang tama yung intuition nyo. So train that as well. Okay? Plot natin. Minus 0.95795 mm downwards. Dito pala. So bababa daw tayo. This much siguro. 95. And then negative, which means negative na rotation. Will it go this way or this way? First or second? Second. Okay, yan yung clockwise na rotation. So maglalagay tayo ng ganito. How will it connect? Sobra. Straight siya ng mahaba, tapos saka lang siya pababa. Hindi ko nakikita yung lines kasi. Yan. Pwede na yan. Okay? And then, it will just connect here and here. Okay? So, nag-rotate ba yung mga struts natin? Yes, technically nag-rotate sila. Okay? Nag-rotate sila, technically. Paano natin i-quantify? Look at the final position and just do triangle geometry.
Small string na
Okay, you can get the angle, the new angle. Yes, technically nag-rotate siya.
ginagawa ka.
Dahil fit siya, yes, totoo, nag-rotate siya. Okay. Solve natin ang forces. Is there anything special sa pag-solve ng force dito? Wala. Same procedure. Get this. Wala nang nasa taas kasi wala. Okay. We'll take that, we'll multiply it by this, please. So, gagawin natin here. We can solve for this. Yeah. This will be equal to the product of this and this. Good job. There we go. Fxb 0. Fyb 0.22. So pataas daw to 0.22. Moment 1.78 counterclockwise. Fxc 14. Fyc 24. Fxb minus 14. Fyb 24. Does this all make sense? Nag-apply tayo ng downward force, lahat sila nag-resist upwards. Yes? Dahil sa downward force, this, gusto niya bumaba, so gagawin niya, iakyat ulit niyan. Nag-apply tayo ng downward force, itong dalawa gustong mag-separate. Tama? Gusto nila gumanon, reaction natin, pag ganon. Make sense? Yes. Okay? Now note. Nag-zero tong dalawa automatically. Sometimes it's possible na you will reach an error sa Excel. Okay? Now, luckily tayo hindi. But in reality, what we should have done first, which I actually forgot to do, itong terms na ito, i-exclude natin sila. Katulad nung ginawa natin sa trust analysis. So, we will actually black them out. Ito lang, yan lang dapat matira sa mga considerations natin. And you can see, sa degrees of freedom, what's left? Tatlo sa A, UA, VA, TA. Tatlo sa B, UV, BB, TB. Nagro-rotate pa rin siya doon. Tapos, UCBC, UDBB.
10.
So, yung sagot kanina, 10, kasi tatlo, dalawa, tama. And it is supported by the fact that yung dalawa na i-exclude natin, nag-zero lahat. Dahil nga trust member siya, diba? Okay? Yes? Any questions? Wala? Sige. We have more time than I actually expected.